Hey, I'm Rodney Jones. Roger asked me to show you this brand new maple home here in Cresswind. Follow me in. Jack, the dog's gonna join us. Come on, Jack. Check out this 8-foot door as you come in. Gorgeous foyer area. Very intriguing. And if you'll notice off to the left here, we have 2 bedrooms that are kind of separated with its own vestibule and off by itself. Come on in the great room. You've got a higher ceiling in here. Gorgeous. I'm real excited to tell you about this kitchen though. A lot of people think the kitchen's the heart of the home. I tend to agree with them. Here, this kitchen spills over into the great room. Got a big open area. 2 islands. A lot of people say, you know, when I entertain, people end up in the kitchen. So this is a great entertaining kitchen. So right off the kitchen, you've also got a mudroom. Great laundry room. We're going to take a look now over in the great room here. Off the great room, you've got a dining room. This is a formal dining area. If you notice, there's lots of windows in this plan, lots of natural light. This part might have been an optional sunroom, but it's great, great place to gather. So off this sunroom, they did an optional screen porch. Come on, take a look in this master bedroom. It's gorgeous. Master bedroom's kind of off and private here. And in this master bath, great area here as well. Take a look in here, and one thing you'll notice that I noticed right away is there's no tub. We're hearing that more and more now. This home does have a larger than normal shower. So you have 2 vanities, a double vanity here, and also like the makeup area here. I'm Rodney Jones. Reach out to Roger if we can show you this home. We'd love to help you here in Cresswind.